I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Black Ops in Dolphin Emulator. Place your legally dumped ISO into a dedicated folder and add that folder in Dolphin's paths. Configure general settings for performance and enable dual core for smoother gameplay. Set your controller profile, map buttons, and test input in the controller window. Finally, launch the ISO from Dolphin's game list and adjust graphics if needed for better frame rates. Optimize Dolphin by enabling dual core and selecting the right backend for your GPU to reduce lag. Increase internal resolution to sharpen the image, but dial it back if performance drops. Use frame limiters and audio settings to prevent stuttering during intense firefights. Tweak the CPU and GPU settings gradually and test in short play sessions to find a good balance between visuals and smoothness for reliable multiplayer and campaign runs. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy gaming walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long play sessions because it fits cup holders, keeps drinks cold, and has a leak-proof lid. I use it during marathon matches to stay focused and refreshed. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. Configure controls thoughtfully and save profiles for quick switching between modes. For multiplayer, use Dolphin's netplay and ensure everyone runs the same game ISO region and settings. Lower latency by selecting a host with a stable connection and matching frame limits. Run short practice matches to verify sync before long sessions. Keep backups of controller profiles so you can jump into multiplayer quickly without reconfiguring each time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.